Want me to look over your deals? People send me deals every day. Hey, Joe, you want to buy this one? 9 times out of 10, the answer is no thanks. Most of the deals don't make sense. If it's a great deal, absolutely, I'm interested, but most people don't know what works. There are only 2 ways to make money as a real estate investor. 1, buy properties substantially below market value for cash, or 2, buy properties closer to market value on terms. Sometimes new investors think I'd be great as a resource for them, as an investor in their properties, because they don't have any money to invest. They think they need my money. I get the logic behind this, but I'm really not necessary in this equation. You don't need my money to invest. You don't need to go begging to anybody. You don't need anyone's money. If you have a good deal, investors with money are a dime a dozen. They come begging to you. I'm no different. I'm always looking for great deals. It's the deal that's valuable. Good deals, deals that make sense for the seller, for you and for the buyer. Take skill to craft. If you craft a good deal, the money will be there waiting for you. One of the primary things I do for my mentor students is help them figure out what a good deal looks like. You need to learn how to find the properties, talk to sellers, craft offers in ways that buyers, sellers, and investors can accept, and then put them all together. Once you've done that, finding the money is the easy part. If you'd like me to look at your deals, if you'd like me to walk you through how this all gets done, you should consider getting into my mentor program. If you want to work with me personally, not someone I hired, but me personally, you can find out all about my 6-month mentor program at zerodowninvesting.com. This website will show you how my program works, what's included, what it costs, what you can expect from me, and what I expect from you if you sign up. There are 3 training videos on the site that go into great detail about what you need to do to build a profitable real estate investing business. They add up to about 2 hours or so of video education. I call them my advanced training program because that's sort of what they are. If you don't really know anything about real estate, they may be a little over your head. The techniques I teach in these videos come from my personal experience, and you won't find this information anywhere else. If you aren't interested in working with me, or you can't afford to join my mentor program, I get it. These 3 videos will still be worth your while. They'll give you an overview of my entire business and show you how to model your business after the step-by-step systems I've created. Even if you ultimately decide not to join my mentor program, I can safely say this advanced training program can completely transform your thinking about building a real estate investing business. I think these advanced training videos are one of the best training programs I've ever created, and I don't charge a dime for them. They distill my 35 plus years as an investor and my 20 plus years as a coach and give you a complete outline of how we build a powerful, profitable, consistent, reliable, ethical, peaceful business. They give you the benchmarks, the milestones, the standard operating procedures that you need to succeed. All right, that's it for today. If you like this channel, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and you can also go to joecrumpblog.com and sign up for my free email newsletter. I give away a ton of free information in that newsletter that you won't find anywhere else. All right, good luck to you.